It's recording. Recording. Crikey, mate. On an outback adventure. Very intense. Right?
We got stuff by lightning right now.
We're making our way through the outback. There's a wild wolverine right there. Crikey, mate, what was that? I think I got that on film. Not very sure, though. I really enjoyed this. I'm having a super splendid time.
Is it even recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
It better be.
This is Will Gagnon. You probably can't see me, but I'm having a super splendid time out here in the wild outback of Boise, Idaho, on my back porch. Crikey! I mean, there's lightning, and thunder, and rain, and there's some lightning over in that direction, if you can see my hand. That way, where I'm pointing the camera. But I can't get it because it's too far away. Whoa! Oh! Whoa! That one startled me.
You missed it again!
Crikey! I just missed one because I was talking to the camera. Crikey! Holy crap! I'm having a super splendid time. Are you?
You're so gay.
I want to go upload these. Dude, we seriously got the only lightning at like 38 seconds and the rest is me talking.
Oh my god, that was like nasty.
Crikey! That was sick nasty according to my little bro. Jesus Christ! I'm having a splendid time.
Shut up and turn it back.
Oh!
I didn't see that one. It's behind.
I don't know if I got that. It was behind my house. I like I'm turning it.
I just want to watch it in like. I want to watch it in a still frame.
Crikey! That was like a triple forked lightning bolt, ladies and gentlemen. I wish you could see this. It's so amazing. Up close camera. This is a 3-minute video. Whoa! Crikey, missed it. This is very dangerous, as Steve Irwin would say. Crikey! It's got my nuts!
He's got my nuts?
I love Steve Irwin. Rest in peace. Oh,
you missed it again!
I got it. I think there's air raid sirens! What was that? There they go. Here's my little bro. Oh, he's a bit shy, unlike me. Up close camera.
Up close camera. No, I'll just shine it.
Up close camera. Crikey, mate. Having a splendid time. Oh. Crikey, that was a big one.
And see.
I think I've got at least 4 strikes. Having such a good time.
I'm a flying lemur.
In the outback. Riding ponies and what?
Change it.
Change it to what?
Like recently.